Hello everybody, welcome in today's video and we are going to show you how to add a glitch effect to your video. So if you want to create a vintage look by adding some glitching effects into your video, we can add those simply by clicking on effects. After that you click on video effects and there you see the option glitch. Click on that and now you can select any glitch effect you want. Just click on it and drag it to your video. It first needs to download. Now it's downloaded. So now you can drag it to your timeline and you can change the duration. You can change the position where it starts, where it ends. And you can also change some other effects because if I play this video, I will put down the volume, otherwise it is irritating us. But for now, click on play and now you can see this glitch effect. If you want to change this effect, you can adjust the strength. And as you can see, it will be less strong, but I like it when it's strong. So you can change the first option also. You can make it more splitted. And you can also add just the speed. So this is a little bit too fast for me, but as you can see, you can change a lot of this effect. So hopefully this video was very helpful and add some comments how you used this effect on your video, and we would like to see you in the next video. Cheers!